Greetings, Principal Allen here, and this is our virtual open house resource guide newsletter. This newsletter includes our virtual open house experience, grade level expectation presentations, meet the teacher videos, and lots of additional resources that will make learning in the virtual environment smoother for both students and their parents or caregivers who will be assisting them. Please take the time to review this entire newsletter and be sure you scroll all the way to the end. I hope you find the information relevant and the presentations informative yet enjoyable. I wish everyone a magnificent start to the 2020-2021 school year. It will be a great, however, different school year, but together I know that we will get through it. Mission first, people always 2.0. Welcome back to school.